Like, we wanted to bring the uniqueness of every brewery in town, since there's so many of them, into one place. So the San Diego County Brewery deck of cards, it's a great way to do that. It kind of coincides to the second thing that we put on the card, and that's their high quality logo. And every time you have a logo or a brewery, you see them on bottles, you see them throughout town. It's going to show you exactly what brewery that it's a part of, and it's going to help you identify exactly what you're drinking more often. We also included all the locations of the tasting rooms in town in San Diego County, so that now you can have a better understanding of where you can go to find these breweries. So the quality that you're getting in each deck is that of the same as a bicycle deck of cards. So we didn't want to let up on the quality. We still wanted to give the best cards that we could get out. Even though it's a novelty deck of a brewery deck of cards, we still wanted everybody to play the same games as you normally would and play poker the same way. So instead of the regular cardboard housing that most cards come in, because it deteriorates and things like that, we chose a hard plastic case. And the reason is we wanted to protect the quality of the cards better and keep them longer so that you can have them for years to come.
So we wanted to be a part of the playing deck of cards with all the local breweries on it because it just made sense to us that we'd be represented in the deck along with all our friends. The fact that everybody's playing cards these days, poker's never been hotter, craft beer's never been hotter. So it just made sense that we'd be a part of that, and the fact that we got an ace makes us just that much happier. So we're looking forward to seeing the full release of these cards.
I really like this idea. It's a visual way to get people involved with the breweries and their logos. When you play games or drinking local craft beer, you've got the brewery logos on there. There's really not a simpler, just better way to get people involved of seeing the different brands of San Diego.